Okay, hey, so I bought a 2010 E60 550i M package, and super clean car. Has been well maintained at BMW. The last owner owned it since 40,000 miles. He's got 25 service records, so car's been taken pretty good care of. There's a few things I need to do to it though. One of the things is the car has about 120,000 miles on it. Looking at the oil changes, it's been done pretty much every 5,000 miles. I didn't see any lapse in any oil maintenance and air filter and stuff. Um, it is smoking a little bit. So looking at some of the other YouTube videos, one of the guys in England shows the PCV valves caps that are bad, and so I figured I'd go this route. I called BMW yesterday, talked to a service advisor. I said, "Hey, how much to do the seals, the valve guide seals?" He goes, first he said, "Oh, it's around $5,000." Then when he looked into it, it was $11,000. What a joke. Anyway, I thought that was pretty funny. He did too. So the car's in super nice shape. I'll give you a walk around. It's platinum gray metallic. It's got the 19-inch sport wheels. There's no dings on the car. The paint's in pretty decent shape. There's no fading on it. It's really nice. Sounds healthy. It's pretty much a brute. And one of the cool things about this car is it's got the light interior and the bamboo wood, for whatever that's worth. I mean, it's pretty cool. Got a nice tint on the wheels. The interior's in great shape. It was only driven by his wife. This is actually his wife's car. Seats super clean. Everything works. I'm not having any issues. You know what? I take that back. Sirius satellite's not working for some reason, so that's one of the things I gotta figure out. So anyway, thought I'd give you a look at the we're gonna do the seals, the PCV valve replacement. And the cool thing is when I found this guy on YouTube, he said you can clear it up for about 15 bucks. Well, you can if you buy them on eBay. I couldn't get them here fast enough on eBay. But when I popped them, this one's already popped. This thing's split wide open. I mean, there's clearly it's letting oil in. So we're gonna get rid of that one. Pull that old spring out and that old cap. And I already undid this, so we've got new spring, and I cleaned it out a little bit. I put that new cap in there, so it's nice and tight. And the cool thing is, man, this takes about 5 minutes. There's no messing around with this thing, really. And it is what it is. Why that cap won't go on. Doesn't want to stay on, so you know what? Maybe we'll just use the old one. Since this one seems to want to go on. Shape doesn't matter. That's that one. Put the cover back on it. That's basically what that is. And then this one is just under here. pop that. Get some light on the subject. I just use this. Basically, it's a little hook. Just pull it up. Oh, shit. I just try to pull it off without breaking these things, because like you said, you never know if you're going to need that damn cap. But this one, this is all broke to hell too. So, I mean, that's what you're looking at. So I'll grab a little rag, take the spring out. Just want to clean this out a little bit. Get anything that's gunked up. Pretty much clean. That's it. Another nail. Spring in. Cap. Don't drop the spring. Get this thing seated down in there. It's pretty simple. It just pops right in. Right? Cap it. You hear them all snap, that's it. This thing just pops back up. There it goes. Pops back on. That's as simple as that. Put your lid on. Don't drop the castle nuts. There it is. Now they're on. Simple. I know, I should have the stuff here. So I changed the oil today. Changed the air cleaner, oil filter, obviously, do all that stuff. So I just got the car a couple days ago. So I gotta do of little things to the car, but what I'm going to do is monitor it. They say to drive for 100 miles. Say to drive for 100 miles and then it should clear up. So I will keep you posted on that. Easy job. You know, if this clears it up for 25 bucks or whatever it is, really $11,000, dealership just wants to nail you, so I'll keep you posted.